And here we go. Five, four, three, two, one. Let's go, baby. We are back. We are live checking the markets today. Welcome, everybody. The chat is open. You want to text it? You wanna say something right here? The chat is live. Here we go. Hello, welcome. Right here, we're streaming live. What is this? Okay. Let's put hello. That's it. There you go. And welcome. Welcome. There you go. All right. We're taking a look to MasterCard right here. Report earnings, beating earnings, and everything. Look at this big week right here. What we're going to do, probably is going to come back. Probably is going to start selling off. We don't know yet what is going to happen with this. But one thing is for sure. Everybody's going to look for sales sentiments. Remember that today is a very important day because it's the FOMC happening today. Let me see what's going on over here. Okay. Overbought, ready for an oversold, waiting to fill this gap. I'm going to play this gap probably. I'm going to wait for the FOMC 451, 462, almost 10 points right here. I'm not going to touch it because it's overbought, but I want to see how FOMC is going to come up today at 2 p.m. right here. Now, what we got over here? Rivian. Rivian trying to coming back, trying to see, looking for filling this gap right here. Rivian, what else do I have over here? Let me see. What we got over here. Big earnings also happening today for got this thing right here. Let me see. Bitcoin waiting also for the move. FOMC is gonna 31 right here. 30, 30, 30, 30. Microsoft 220, 30. Oh, this was before the close. Huh? Look at this profit right here on Microsoft. Let's watch from 30, which was yesterday. So yesterday, nothing happening right here. Nothing happening. A loss on Bitcoin. Okay, no problem. We trade very small on Bitcoin because remember that is very volatile. Right here, 220 on Microsoft. Right here, what happened? What happened was that at 340, almost at the close, it went the direction we wanted. This is the big winner this week because on Google, we bought 1,000 shares right here from Google. And at 9:30 this morning at the open, shoot the gap to the top position right here. Google 143.62, 143.62. Let me see. Google right here. There you go. 143.62. What happened with Google? Let me see. I think we did a short on Google. 143.62. There you go. 141. That's right. So from here, shoot all the way over here. Now what we got? We got a gap right here to fill. We're gonna re-enter to the 151 position, but I'm gonna go very small now. Go 151 right here. Just waiting to fill up the gap. All right. There you go. Okay. Now we're just playing the gap right here. I'm gonna put over here just to make sure that we're gonna fill up this gap. Very important idea right here. Entering almost to the oversold, just waiting for that to happen. What else do we have over here? Google doing good. McDonald's, this is McDonald's, right? McDonald's closing to the upside, $20, very good. Another big winner, AMD. AMD 165.53. That's what I said to the sell position. Sell position AMD. What is AMD? AMD 165.53. 165.53. 165.53 right here. 165.53 right here. Took profit right here. Not too big, not too small. Why? Because just like a $2-3 position movement right here. Beautiful movement. I'm not gonna enter because of the FOMC. What is gonna happen is it's gonna come back and fill up this gap right here. We will see. Coming back over here, we got AMD big winner right here. Another winner, Meta 45. I have only 10 shares. Meta going good. That's happened today at the open. Everything happens at the open at 9:30. You see, 9:30, 9:30, 9:30. Right here, big loser right here. Neo, Neo going to the downside. Neo it's down. Neo it's just dead. Let me see. Neo, 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 Neo. Where is Neo? Right here. Where are you, Neo? Jesus Christ. Neo, Neo, Neo. Neo should be around here. There you go. Neo's coming back. But in the morning, have a lot of pain. What am I doing right here? I'm entering again. I'm going to enter Neo right now. Waiting for the $7 strike right here. Expecting what? Expecting the FOMC to do the job. Wait over here. Coming back over here. Hopefully filling up this gap over here. Patience is the name of the game. 3 days, 4 days, 5 days. We'll wait. No worries. Now, what we got over here, we got Intuit 635, 635, 635. Intuit right here, 635. Let me see. Oof, big sell right here from Intuit. This is the company that makes the taxes and everything. We were doing this thing, 635. 627, 635. Oof, it's too sold. It's harsh. It's harsh. Everybody's selling this thing. I'm gonna wait until they oversold, and then I'm gonna put a position for a $3 movement. So right now, I'm not gonna touch it. Remember, if you not entering, also is winning. Not entering is also winning because your odds of winning are reduced also for this thing. Now, what we got over here? Also, we got, you see, Intuit, and this was for Oracle, one share, winning, very good. Now, what we got happening right now? We got Starbucks trading at 94. Let me see, take profit, stop loss, price. Let's take a look to Starbucks. Starbucks, very good after earnings. Look at this Starbucks right here, huh? Almost hit my 100 profit. Stay on the 98. 98 was the first one. Still on profit. I'm gonna close the Starbucks right now because it's just did good. Starbucks was a very good trade that would position it over here. Want to take a look right here? I did the Starbucks idea right here. Let me see. Let me see. Let me see. Should be around here. Right here, Starbucks. I was expecting 98. Yesterday was 93. Because of earnings, we can see, look at this big gap right here to the 98 position. I said Starbucks to 98 after earnings. Pretty good. So that was very good. Now, we're going to come back to the supercharts to take a look to Starbucks. Starbucks doing good. That's it. I did my profit. Now I'm closing. Where is the Starbucks right here? Let me see. Nice profit on Starbucks. I'm closing it. I'm gonna wait for 2 p.m. At 2 p.m. for the FOMC, then I'm gonna start opening positions. I'm gonna close everything right here, everything, and at 2 p.m. I'm gonna start opening positions again. Everything I'm closing, everything, even the big losers because it doesn't matter for the losers. I did a big winners, which was um Microsoft and no, it was AMD and Google. So right now we're still waiting for Tesla. I'm not going to touch this one. I'm going to wait for Microsoft because Microsoft now is going to be a long term position. Lee, I'm just going to wait for next week because Lee is reporting earnings in a couple of weeks. So this is my new entrance for this thing. If I have more lower side, I'm going to re-enter. Let me see. Yeah, no, I'm not going to touch it. Everything is good right here. I'm not going to touch nothing until 2 p.m. At 2 p.m., we're going to see what's going to happen over here. I'm just leaving all my negative trades right here until 2 p.m. What's going to happen? On Microsoft, I'm not going to touch it. I'm just going to reduce it a little bit. There you go. 50%. There you go. So now I'm going to wait for 2 p.m. FOMC. You gotta win, you gotta lose. The losers are part of trading. If you want to just win, nobody just win because this is a business. And as a business, you have profits, you got losses. But the idea is to have 80-20, 80% winning, 20% losing or breaking even. Nothing is perfect, nothing is 100% accurate right here. Microsoft, I'm gonna just wait for a recovery right here for the FOMC coming back. Microsoft is doing good, doing perfectly because Copilot product from Microsoft is gonna be required in most companies or in all companies. So we're just gonna wait and be patient for this. It's gonna come back. I know that it's gonna come too. What else do we have over here? Nothing else. Keep an eye on. Let me see Tesla. What's happening with Tesla? Tesla's taking too long to coming back. Was trying to fill up this gap. Now he's retracing a little bit. He's going to start struggling around this area. For the FOMC, big push to the upside. He's going to take profit right here. Then he's going to close the gap. Then it's going to come back hopefully to 230 first. I'm going to do a stop right here. 230. And then 260. We will see. Now, just waiting, expecting for the FOMC. Big data, big movement at what time? 2 p.m. From 1:30, you're going to start seeing a lot of volatility. Look at this Bitcoin having a push up right here. Re-enter a Bitcoin. I'm not going to touch it until the FOMC. I want to see if it's going to be oversold, overbought. And then I'm going to re-enter that. For now, I'm still on the Forex idea right here, which is a push to the upside. Waiting for the FOMC, probably a little movement around here. Then we're going to start seeing this idea, which is coming back little by little, which is movement, consolidation, resistance, and all the way to the top again, 300 pips probably by the end of February. We can put February 29 probably. Let's see. Yes. And that's it. That's how it's going to perform. For hopefully we're going to keep an eye on this one and start watching to see how it's going to happen, how it's going to develop. I'm going to put a pointer over here today at 2 p.m. just to make sure that because of the movement is what's going up. It can happen vice versa also. Because of the movement, it can keep going down. But what the Fed wants is to everybody to think that everything is doing good, no worries, there is no inflation and everything. You go outside in the streets, it's a different story, but they manage the money, they can do whatever they want. Just stay profitable. If you want to trade in the very small positions. Don't trade your whole account. Take profits, take losing, keep on the game. That's very, very important part of the game. Right now I got a Google. Yeah, I'm gonna enter Google. I entered Google already, I think. Yeah, I entered Google, but very small position. One position right here. See, very small, very, very, very small position. As a matter of fact, I'm gonna put my stop loss around here. You see? There you go. Putting my stop loss and everything. It's very small position. I'm just watching what the data is giving me, and then we're gonna see what is gonna happen. Big movers, nothing yet. Just gotta wait until 2 p.m. I'll be back. Hopefully, I can trade at 2 p.m. so we can see the big moves happening. If I cannot, I will try to be before the close. If I cannot at the close, then I'm gonna be after market, because depending on the FOMC, market is gonna keep either going down or going up, depending on the news that we have. That's it for now. Thank you for everything. I'll see you guys. I see you guys in a few.